What is it?
Hey. Hey, dress.
Here, take the scissors to the other side. Oh, please don't cut off your finger. You're doing the scissors the wrong way, Sienna, not towards your hand. Okay. What does the card say?
Sienna.
What is it?
A Tiana dress.
Oh my goodness.
But the that's something else. Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Don't think so.
Let me see.